Okay, now that we know that the slope is 1 over 10, in this example, we're going to look at number 4. What is the meaning of the slope? So you need to know what the slope is in your problem before you actually tackle what is the meaning of the slope. I'm going to just write with that slope over here. We know that the slope is 1 over 10. Okay, so what is the meaning? Well, we have to know some things about slope. And I'm actually going to do the same thing I did over here. We know that my m is the slope. Okay. We also know that the slope is the change. And here's the important part. We know it's the change in y over change in x. And more specifically, if we think back to the problems that we saw in the first assignment, we know that our x and y are actually talking about units. So it's a change in y units per the change in x units. That's a way we can say that if we think about the meaning. Okay, so this is important because I need to make sure I'm going to remember that this is my y and this is my x. We have to attach the units. What is the units for the y? Well, let's look at our y, and I see that there's feet right here. So this is 1 foot per, what's my x units? Well, here it's s, which is seconds. Per 1 foot per second. Or per 10 seconds. So by attaching the units to our slope, we can make meaning of it. 1 foot, remember that this is per when we see this fraction bar, per. So 1 foot per 10 seconds. So we've put that into context here. Well, there's the height of a balloon as it travels. Well, how high is the balloon traveling? 1 foot per 10 seconds. So we can put that into a sentence. The balloon is traveling. So let me change that to orange. The balloon is traveling up 1 foot per 10 seconds. Or 1 foot, instead of per, you could say every, if you want it. 1 foot per or 1 foot every 10 seconds. Okay, see if you can apply that to your number 4.